Hello my lovely viewers, welcome back to my channel Cooking with Mitisha. In today's recipe I'm going to show you how to make delicious taquitos into the air fryer. So we're not going to deep fry, we're going to air fry, but it is delicious. Let's get started with the recipe. So in a pan I'm going to take oil, and once oil heats up, I'm going to add a little bit of cumin powder, and the vegetables I'm using bell pepper, onion, tomatoes and cilantro. This is what I have on hand, but you can use totally whatever you have on hand or whatever you feel like to use it. And just gonna saute a little bit, adding some salt and garlic powder. You can also use fresh garlic and lots of taco seasoning. Of course you can adjust all the seasoning according to your preference. Now I'm gonna mix it all well nicely. Once it's all mixed, I'm gonna add some oregano and chili flakes. Whatever your spice level is, you can add accordingly. And I'm using this vegetarian refried beans. Now if you can also use black beans, whole bean. I'm using refried beans here. This is much quicker. This recipe is really quick, so use whatever you have on hand. So I'm now at the end, I'm gonna add tomatoes and cilantro and give it a mix, and our stuffing is all ready, as you can see. Now for the tortillas, I'm using this 3 taco mix in 1 white corn tortillas, and these are the mini version, but if they have like a bigger one too, so that's easier I guess, but I'm just using this mini one. And don't forget to heat up in microwave so they are nicely pliable. Now I'm just gonna put the scoop of bean mixture, and gonna add cheese as much as you like, and then tightly roll it and tuck all your stuffing in, and make sure the seam side is down just like this. I'm just gonna show you one more, and then I'm gonna just roll all of my taquitos like this, and we're gonna put in baking tray. I'm just using this one, round one. I'm just gonna lay all my taquitos in here, and I'm gonna lightly brush with a little bit of oil on top. And now we are going to air fry this. Now I'm going to air fry this at 370 degree for 4 minutes on each side. So you have to flip it over and then do it for another 4 minutes. Every air fryer is different, so you guys have to adjust accordingly. Mine's gonna take about 7 to 8 minutes to cook completely. And now as you can see, they are cooking nicely, and the link for this air fryer, you can find the logo on my video. You can click it and buy it from there. And look at this, my taquitos are all ready and they are super crispy. Once they cool down a little bit, I show you. Look at this. Now they do look nicely brown, and in the middle they are not that brown like a deep fry one, but they are super crispy, trust me. Now we are going to serve this with some sour cream. This is completely optional, but I love it. This is like a complete meal. So I'm gonna add some sour cream, some lettuce and salsa and guacamole, and a little bit of salsa I'm drizzling on top as well. And already look at this, this is so delicious and it turned out so good. So this is a must try recipe, guys. I hope you guys have enjoyed watching this video, and thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my channel.